Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to discuss the example for circle. Find the equation of the circle. So now the question said equation of the circle. So for this type of question, I'm going to list out the formula for the circle in general form, where we have x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. Continue with the question. The equation of the circle that passes the 3 points. So for this case, we have the situation 3 points, where we have the point 1, 2. So kindly substitute the point 1, 2. So where we have the x is equals to 1 and the y is equals to 2. So if we substitute the 1, 2, and we will have 1 plus with the 4 plus with 2gx. So we will have 2g plus 2fy. So substitute the y with 4. Substitute the y with 2 and we will have 4y. And we will have 4f plus with the c equals to 0. Kindly simplify the equation. So finally we have 5 plus 2g plus 4f plus c equals to 0. And we name it as the first equation. Next, we have the second point where we have negative 3 and 8. So repeat the process, kindly substitute the situation, and we will have 9 plus 64 minus 6g plus 16f plus c equals to 0. Repeat the situation, simplify. So we will have 73 minus 6g plus 16f plus c equals to 0. For the third situation, we have the third point where we have negative 9, 6. Repeat the situation and we will have 81 plus with 36 minus 18g plus 12f plus c equals to 0. Simplify the situation and we will have 117 minus 18g plus 12f plus c equals to 0. So here we have the third equation. So now we are having the situation with the 3 point. So now what we have to do is to eliminate or to simplify the equation. So my point is to eliminate the c. So I'm trying to deal with the 3 equation. So number 1, my suggestion would be using the second equation minus the first equation. So kindly refers to the situation. So we have 73 minus with the 5. So very obvious, we will have 68. Then focus with negative 6g minus with the 2g. So we will have negative 8g. Then follow with 16f minus with the 4f. So we will have 12f equals to 0. Because kindly focus on the c minus with the first equation, we also have c. So if we simplify the situation, so meaning that if we divide by 4, so we will have 17 minus 2g plus 3f equals to 0. So that is our product if we are using the second equation minus the first equation. Next, my suggestion would be third equation minus with the second equation. So where we have 117 minus with the 73 and we will have 44. Next we have negative 18g minus with negative 6g. So we will have a negative 12g. Next we have 12f minus with the 16f and we will have a negative 4f equals to 0. So kindly refers to the situation and I think we can simplify the situation again divide by 4. So if we divide by 4, we will have 11 minus 3g minus f equals to 0. So now, kindly focus on the situation where we name it as the fourth equation, and this one will be the fifth equation. So now we have two new equations and we have two variables in each equation. So my suggestion is to eliminate either one, okay, either the g or the f. So in here, my suggestion would be rearrange the fifth equation. So where we have f is equals to 11 minus 3g. So kindly substitute the f equals to 11 minus 3g into the fourth equation. So if we substitute the situation, and we will have 17 minus 2g plus 3f. So in here, the f will be 11 minus 3g equals to 0. Next is to expand and then simplify the situation. So we will have 33 minus 9g equals to 0. So as we can see, 17 plus with the 33, and we will have 50. And then we have negative 9, negative 2. So if we add on, we will have negative 11g. So transfer to the right hand side and we will have 11g. So where g will be equals to 50 over 11. So now my suggestion would be substitute the g equals to 50 over 11 into the situation where we have f is equals to 11 minus 3g. So f is equals to 11 minus 3 multiplied with 50 over 11. So kindly refers to the calculator. So we will have f is equals to negative 29 over 11. Next, what we have to do is to substitute the f and g into the first equation. So kindly refers to the first equation where we have 5 plus with 2 multiplied with the g where we have 50 over 11 plus 4f where we have negative 29 over 11 plus with the c equals to 0. So now we are interested in the c. So by referring to the calculator or with the help of the calculator, so the value of c will be equals to negative 39 over 11. So now we have the value of g, f, and then we have c. So in order to find the equation of the circle, so what we have to do is to substitute the value into the general form. So here we have the general form for the equation of circle. So kindly substitute the situation. So x squared plus y squared plus 2g. So where we have 50 over 11 x plus 2f. So in here we have negative 29 over 11 plus with the c. So in here the c is negative 39 over 11 equals to 0. So multiply all the terms with 11. So we will have 11x squared plus 11y squared plus 100x minus 58y minus with 39 is equals to 0. So here we have the general equation of the circle. So here we are, and thanks for watching.